Stop scrolling, family. I got some juice for you. Won your court case, but the creditor is still ignoring the judge's orders? Here's how you make them pay for their non-compliance. As promised, part 6, alright, our bonus video. They ignored the judge. Here's how you win again. If a creditor refuses to remove an inaccurate charge-off after you've won in court, you have the power to enforce that judgment and even seek penalties. Let me show you step by step how to do it. First, we have to call the creditor you beat in court. You have to file a motion to enforce the judgment. And if you don't have a motion to file, you have no idea where to start, don't worry, I got you. You must first follow me on TikTok, family, all right? And click the link in my bio. It's gonna look like this. It'll generate a pop-up for you. Click that blue highlighted link right there to continue. It's going to bring you to a page that looks like this. All you have to do is scroll down to the join free button. And that's gonna look something just like this. Click that button where we'll request for you to put your information in so that you can join Coach Brown IV and the Grown Academy. Go ahead and fill out that information. And once you've joined, you will be brought here. Make sure you remain in post, okay? I have it circled right there for you, highlighted in yellow. And the post that I created for you guys yesterday will be right here. You're just gonna scroll down on that post section. You're gonna see how to file a dispute and remove a charge-off, part 6 for this particular motion that you need. Go ahead and click that title. That'll get you into the post. All right, now that you're inside of this particular post, you're just gonna scroll down again and you will see the attachments, family. Go ahead and click the template attachment for access. And as promised, you will have your template for motion to enforce that judgment. Let's get back into the presentation. Do you remember where we left off? Right here, family. We have to call the creditor you beat in court by first filing a motion to enforce the judgment. All right. Next, report your non-compliance to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau. Don't worry, family. I got that for you too. That attachment will be available as well in Patreon, as well as pursue additional damages for failure to comply with the legal court order. Let's continue so that we can second follow up, okay, by monitoring all 3 credit bureaus to confirm the charge-off removal. Follow up in writing if confirmation is not received within 48 hours of you contacting the creditor. And make sure that we file that motion to enforce the judgment if the creditor delays action, so that we can report non-compliance to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau and the FTC if needed. Don't worry, family. I will enact exactly how you call the creditor, and I have a script available for you guys so that you can know exactly what you need to do and what you need to say in order to make this play, so that we can finalize the matter, all right, by filing the motion with the same small claims court where the case was decided, where you got your victory. We're going to attach the copies of the original judgment and any written follow-up request, as well as credit reports showing non-compliance by them not removing it off of your credit report. And we will attend the hearing if scheduled and present evidence of continued non-compliance. Now, family, let's get into the call where Mr. Brown is going to call the creditor.
Thank you for calling XYZ Wireless. This is Simon. How can I assist you today?
How you doing, Simon? This is Mr. Brown. And I recently won a small claims lawsuit against XYZ Wireless for false credit reporting of my charge-off. I'm calling to confirm that the court's judgment is being followed and that my credit report is being corrected immediately.
Let me check your account. Can you provide your case number and the date of the judgment, please?
Sure thing, Simon. My case number is 1234, and the judgment was issued on May 5th, 2025. The court ruled in my favor, ordering the removal of the charge-off from my credit report and awarded damages for your company's non-compliance with the credit reporting laws.
Oh. I see the details now. Our legal team has received the judgment, but it may take some time to process.
Well, Mr. Simon, that's unacceptable. The court has already ruled in my favor. And under the Fair Credit Reporting Act, 15 U.S.C. 1681-2, you are legally required to immediately delete inaccurate information. I need confirmation that this charge-off will be removed from all 3 major credit reporting bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, and that'll be within 10 days as ordered by the court.
Well, our compliance team is reviewing the court order, but we need time to process it.
All right, Mr. Simon, the court ruling is final, and your company's delay could result in additional penalties and more legal action. If I do not receive written confirmation of removal within 10 days, I will file a motion to enforce the judgment, as well as report your non-compliance to the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and lastly, pursue additional damages for failure to comply with a legal court order. I need written confirmation, email, or a letter stating that the charge-off will be removed immediately.
Mr. Brown, I understand your concern. I will escalate this issue to our legal department and send you written confirmation within 24 to 48 hours.
I appreciate that. However, I will be monitoring my credit reports daily to ensure compliance. If this is not removed within 10 days, I will take further action. So please document this call and send confirmation to my email and mailing address.
Understood. Expect confirmation shortly. Is there anything else I can assist you with today?
Not at all, Mr. Simon. That will be all. I expect prompt action on your part, though. Have a good day. All right, family. That's the end of the call. If you made it this far in the video, I sincerely appreciate it. Please drop a like and comment on the video down below. And remember, after you make that call, family, go ahead and submit the complaints to the CFPB as well as the FTC, all right, in their complaint portals. As you can see here in the template that I have available to you guys, I have the links that you will be able to just click into after you've copied all of this information and filled in all of these highlighted sections with your creditor's name, all right, the court date, as well as the court case number. I also have it for the FTC as well, their complaint portal, and a similar makeup here where you're just going to be filling in your information so that you can handle this situation as swiftly as possible. Make sure you retain copies of all correspondences for further escalation if necessary. You want to keep up with all of that documentation. Be sure to monitor your credit report for updates and be prepared to escalate with legal enforcement, in which you guys have access to right here for free, family. As Coach Brown, all right, one of the proctors of the Grown Academy, it is my personal goal to raise the IQ in this consumer law space so that we can continue to thrive, family. We do not have to be held back by these minuscule ailments that we have with these charge-offs and things of that nature on our credit reports, hindering us from living great lives. So become free members of the Grown Academy through that link in my bio that you see right here. Beautiful. And when you're ready, become a member of the Grown Academy. It is just $50 a month. And if you really want to get down to the nitty-gritty, $150 a month. And create your trust so that you can now be able to get the interest out of these accounts, having the knowledge and the know-how to enforce and have these companies running for the hills. All in all, I hope this helps. And I love you guys. Peace.